6 money rules that helped me become a millionaire. You don't need a six-figure job or family money to become a millionaire. Instead, you need to start saving early and be mindful of every dollar you spend. Here are some tips for building that million you need to retire in style or to retire early. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. 1. Start saving early. The easiest way to build your savings is to start early. Doing so lets you take advantage of the power of compounding. Say you're 20 years old. If you contribute $6,000 to an individual retirement account, IRA, every year, $500 a month, for 40 years, your total investment would be $240,000. 2. Avoid unnecessary spending and debt. Stop buying things you don't need. Before you tap your card, ask yourself the following. Is this something I really need? Do I have something similar already? Do I want this more than I want to become a millionaire? Every dollar you spend on something you don't need is one less dollar you can invest. 3. Save 15% of your income or more. The personal savings rate is the percentage of income left over after people spend money and pay taxes. That rate dropped to 2.3% in October 2022, according to data from the Bureau of Economic Analysis (BA). According to experts, that's not enough to save for retirement, let alone for anyone trying to become a millionaire. Although there's no correct answer here, most financial planners say that depending on your age, you should save at least 15% of your annual gross income if you're aiming for a nest egg for retirement. 4. Make more money. Granted, this is easier said than done. If you don't make enough to stash 15% of your income, it will be difficult to become a millionaire. But you do have a few options available to you, such as asking for a pay increase if you think you're due for one, working extra hours, getting a second job, getting training to increase your earnings potential. Additional training pays off the most in the long run. Let's say you're a licensed practical nurse, LPN. The median income is $48,070 per year in 2021. 5. Don't give in to lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation happens when you spend more money just because you have more to spend. Say you live in a comfortable apartment in a great location for $1,000 a month. You get a raise at work and move to a better apartment that costs $1,500 a month. 6. Get help if you need it. Planning for retirement can be very stressful, partly because of all the investment options available, not to mention all the unknowns that await you. In fact, as many as 60% of working people said they feel uneasy about retirement planning. It's no wonder only 25% of Americans say they're confident that they're doing what they need to when it comes to retirement planning. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.